In this video, we will discuss the context of society and communities as it relates to social determinants of health. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, the relationship between individuals plays a role in our social health and general well-being. When individuals are faced with factors in their life that are difficult to control, such as unsafe neighborhoods, financial struggles, or discrimination, it negatively impacts their mental, physical, and emotional health. Taking a closer look at the factor of discrimination, the Centene Corporation and Child Welfare League of America argue there are two levels of discrimination that are involved with social and community context as a social determinant of health. There is structural discrimination and individual discrimination. Individual discrimination is when the behavior shown by individuals of one race, ethnic group, or gender is meant to inflict harm of various types on individuals of a different race, ethnic group, or gender. Structural discrimination is described at a macro level related to structures of society such as residential segregation, disparities in healthcare, and access to quality education. There are various ways to improve upon the social and community context of healthcare determinants. A strong example of what can be done to help improve this context involves civic participation and engagement. When we comprehend the social and community context through a perspective of social determinants of health, positive relationships and communities have an impact on our health. When individuals are faced with negative factors through their community, it can place a risk on their mental health and well-being. Overall, the social and community context of social determinants of health needs to be addressed carefully. Many topics associated with social and community context are sensitive, but it does not mean they are any less important than the other domains seen throughout our society today. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on describing social and community context regarding social determinants of health.